Welcome children. Take out your everyday English grammar and composition book. Part 7, Chapter 6, Prepositions. Today I am going to give you the answers of the exercises of this chapter. Page 36, Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with simple, compound or complex prepositions from the box. Number 1. The man walked along the road. Number 2. Put the garbage in the can outside the door. Number 3. He bought a small bottle of ink in addition to the two big ones. Number 4. The school captain welcomed the guest on behalf of the principal, staff and students of the school. Number 5. Payal participated in the nature walk along with all her classmates. Number 6. The children had their picnic under the old tree in the park. Number 7. It is raining. Do not step out without an umbrella. Number 8. Children today spent a lot of time in front of the television. Now, take out page number 38. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions of place. Number 1. Jaya is waiting for you beside the mall. Number 2. When will you arrive at the office? Number 3. My desk is beside the window. Number 4. Do you agree at a school? Number 5. Who lives in the hut beside the bungalow? Number 6. Among all his friends, Hari is the tallest. Number 7. What do you have in that box? Number 8. Many people stood on the roofs of houses to watch the match. Number 9. The sign on the shop said sale. Number 10. The shop is at the end of the street. Number 11. I have a meeting in New York. Number 12. We live between the corner of MG Road and Bank Street. Page number 40. Take out page number 40. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions of time. Number 1. The farmer has been working in the field since morning. Number 2. Meeta will come to Kolkata on Friday. Number 3. They have been studying for 5 hours. Number 4. The meeting will be held on Monday at 10 p.m. Number 5. Kirti has been ill with fever since last night. Number 6. The party will start at 7:30 p.m. and may go on for midnight. Number 7. The protesters stood at the India Gate from morning to night. Number 8. We will have dinner at a restaurant on Wednesday. Number 9. I can come to your house only from school. Number 10. Nobody will be allowed to leave the examination hall in the exam. Exercise. Take out page number 42. Exercise D. Underline the preposition and state whether they are prepositions of time, place, cause or purpose. Point out the object on which of each preposition. Number 1. The children ran around the house all evening. Underline around and write preposition of place. Number 2. On our holiday we drove through the towns of Dwarka and Jamnagar. Underline through and write preposition of place. Number 3. Karan opened the bottle with a steel opener. Underline with. Write preposition of cause. Number 4. We did not go to office today. We had a holiday. Underline to and write preposition of place. Number 5. The children played in the pool. Underline in and write preposition of place. Number 6. A huge function was planned by the management to celebrate the company's 25th anniversary. Underline by and write preposition of purpose. Number 7. Here is the present that you were waiting for. Underline for and write preposition of purpose. Number 8. The light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Underline by and write preposition of cause. Number 9. The old man sat among the children to tell his stories. Underline among and write preposition of place. Number 10. The moon does not shine with its own light. Underline with and write preposition of purpose. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Number 1. Maya was tired of a long day to work. Number 2. You will see the picture at page 45. Number 3. Have you received an invitation from Karim's wedding? Number 4. I rely on my parents for the right advice. Number 5. My aunt taught me how to eat with a knife and fork. Number 6. Don't stand by the wall. You will get dirt on your dress. Number 7. He is short of pocket money. Number 8. Are you happy with the result? Number 9. Ritu worked hard for completing her painting. She succeeded in selling it in 2000 rupees. Number 10. The thieves were taken by the police to the court. Number 11. Bharti makes beautiful paintings on the computer with a mouse. Number 12. I will surely contact you through email. Number 13. The cat jumped upon the rat. Number 14. Ravi and I have a lot of things in common to music. Number 15. Suman arrived late at the airport. Now write all the exercises in your CW copy, that is classwork copy, English 1 copy. Write now diary, homework, write all the exercises of chapter 6 in your English 1 copy. And with this I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.